Mastering the Studio application, how to create a grouped frame layout. Instead of dragging and dropping the same image over and over, there's a much more efficient way to handle bulk printing, like a large set of school portraits. Simply create a grouped frame layout. For this example, I'm going to create 2 different sizes of empty frames, positioned where I would like, and then group them together. To create an empty frame, select the Edit menu, Create Frame option. This will add a blank 7 by 5 inch frame to our layout. Where it lands depends on your auto-place setting in Studio Settings. For this demonstration, I've already turned auto-place on, and I have 0 frame spacing set. Adjust the dimensions as required. This frame will be 8 by 10 inches. I also want to rotate this frame 90 degrees clockwise. Select the frame and choose the Frame menu, 90 cW option, or click the Rotate Right icon in the toolbar. I want to duplicate this frame, without any spacing between them. The easiest way to do this is via Step and Repeat. Select the frame and click on the Step and Repeat icon in the toolbar to pop up the options. Set the horizontal repeat to 2. Make sure spacing is 0. Select OK to continue. This will place a copy of the frame next to the original. Deselect the frames in the layout area. Now I want to create 4 additional frames, of a smaller size. Select the Step and Repeat icon again, and enter the dimensions of the frame. I will create frames that are 5 by 7 inches, and I want to repeat 4 horizontally. 0 spacing again. And select OK to continue. As the Auto-Place option is enabled and frame spacing is 0, the frames will be automatically created directly under the previous frames. Next, I want to select all frames and set their content scaling to fill. To do so, left-click and drag the mouse over all frames to select them, highlighted in pink. Or, you can go to the Frame menu, select All option. Once all frames are selected, go to the Box Properties, Content panel, Scaling option. Select Fill from the drop-down menu. With all frames still selected, go to the Frame menu, Group option to group the frames, or select the Group icon in the toolbar. Once the frames are grouped, you can see they are all highlighted in pink when you select a frame. This also makes it easy to move the entire group around the layout area to position it for printing. Drag and drop your asset file into the group, and you will see every frame will fill with the selected item. When ready, select the Studio menu Print option to send the file for processing. To reuse the layout, select the group and click on the Clear Frames option. This will allow you to drag another asset into the group. Up next, creating a layered frames layout.